Tasia and Gracia here.
So for today, what's for dinner recipe, Tasia and I are going to be creating one of our favorite dishes, Hainanese chicken rice.
It is a poached chicken dish served with seasoned rice and two of our favorite sauces. So Gracia, let's get cooking.
The first thing we're going to do is going to poach the whole chicken.
These are the vegetables that we're gonna put in to make our liquid stock. So I've got some carrots, I'm gonna pop that in. I got some brown onion, half of a brown onion, and I got some celery in the fridge, so I'm gonna pop that in as well. And don't forget, you need to put some ginger, and we're going to put spring onion.
Now that our stock pot is boiling,
Oh my god, Gracia, it smells so good!
we're going to add our one whole chicken, and we're going to drop it in, and be sure to cover it all with the water. And we're going to pop the lid back on and turn the heat down to low.
While our chicken is cooking, we're gonna be making our two favorite sauces.
So for the chili sauce, Tasia, we're going to add some ginger. It's okay that the skin is on. We're going to also be adding some garlic.
Some birdseye chili. Wow.
And big red chili as well. We're gonna blitz it up to form a rough paste. So to make the second sauce, got half a cup of spring onion here, and we're just gonna grate about 2 tablespoons of ginger. So I've gone ahead and heat up about half a cup of vegetable oil, and now to finish, all we have to do
Oh my god, that looks so
is pour it. And we're gonna season with a bit of chicken salt, a pinch of table salt, and we're just gonna mix.
The chicken has been cooked for 45 minutes. We got some 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and gently pour it into the poached chicken. To make the seasoned rice, we got 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 20 grams of chopped garlic, 10 grams of ginger, and 30 grams of shallots, 2 cups of jasmine rice, and about 3 cups of the liquid chicken stock we made earlier. We're gonna cook until all the water is absorbed, and we're gonna turn the heat low and cook it for another 8 minutes. And it's ready.
So there you have it, our what's for dinner Hainanese chicken rice, the perfect isolation cooking.
So for more recipe like this, head to coast.com.au.
Happy cooking!